If you like gold, there are many reasons you should like the gold. Bitcoin is the biggest opportunity set we can think of over the next decades. Bitcoin is the bubble that never pops. You can't stop things like Bitcoin. It will be everywhere and the world will be readjust. World government will have to readjust. Anytime a country transitioned to a fiat currency, they collapsed. That's just world history, you don't have to know about cryptocurrency. If the cryptocurrency market overall or a digital asset is solving a problem, it's going to drive some value. People have made fortunes off Bitcoin, some have lost money. It is volatile, but people make money off of volatility too. What can't kill Bitcoin makes it stronger. The ability to create something which is not duplicable in the digital world has enormous value. Lots of people will build businesses on top of that. Whenever the price of cryptocurrency is rallying, people start spending a lot more. Bitcoin is the beginning of something great, a currency without a government, something necessary and imperative. Bitcoin will do to banks what email did to the postal industry. Those who believe in Bitcoin also believe in cleverness. Right now Bitcoin feels like the internet before the browser. Every informed person needs to know about Bitcoin because it might be one of the world's most important developments. Blockchain is moving beyond cryptocurrency, and it's worth paying attention, especially since successful prototypes show that blockchain, also known as distributed ledger technology, will be transformative. Blockchain technology could change our world more than people imagine. Bitcoin is cash with wings. In cryptocurrency investment, long-term thinkers are less stressed. Cryptocurrency won't make you rich today, but it might tomorrow.